I'll show you how easy it is for you to apply white. When you hear the word whitening lotion, you thought of it some things that give you a fake white effect. This white is different because it has other benefits compared to normal whitening product. I feel that it is something that easy to be absorbed the moisture. The texture, it is quite watery, so easy to apply. You don't have to wait for a long time to apply another product. I've been using it for almost 2 weeks. Yes, of course, it gives me a very natural whitening effect. I also observed that my oily areas become less oily. Oh, by the way, Kiss Mineral just newly launched their lip primer in pocket size, which is suitable for all lips condition.